Nature sustains life on Earth, but it can cause destruction. Forces of nature that cause destruction of life and property on Earth are called natural disasters. Drought. Drought means occurrence of little or no rain for a long period of time. Droughts cause extreme scarcity of water. Drought affected areas with very few natural resources of water. Farmers are most affected during a drought as they are unable to grow crops. This results in a shortage of food leading to famine. Drought is a prolonged dry period in the natural climate cycle that can occur anywhere in the world. It is a slow onset disaster characterized by the lack of precipitation resulting in a water shortage. Drought can have a serious impact on health, agriculture, economics, and energy. Blizzards. Blizzards are storms characterized by cold winds and lots of snow. To be categorized as a blizzard, the storm must last for at least 3 hours and produce a large amount of falling snow. These winds cause a large volume of snow to blow around in the air and near the ground, decreasing visibility. For a blizzard to form, warm air must rise over cold air. When warm air and cold air are brought together, a front is formed and precipitation occurs. Warm air can also rise to form clouds and blizzard snows as it flows up a mountainside. Wildfires or forest fires. Wildfires or forest fires are large destructive fires in the forest. They may be triggered by lighting or human activity. Wildfire, also called forest or bush or vegetation fire, can be described as any uncontrolled and non-prescribed composition or burning of plants in a natural setting such as a forest, grassland, brush, land, or tundra, which consumes the natural fuels and spreads based on environmental conditions. Example: wind, topography. Natural causes. Many forest fires start from natural causes such as lightning, which set trees on fire. Man-made causes. Fire is caused when a source of fire like snake, flame, cigarette, or bidi, electric spark, or any source of ignition comes into contact with inflammable materials.